And welcome back. I'm here with Myra Gatlin-Akers, and she is with the Mary Bird Perkins Cancer Center, here to tell us about free screenings for breast cancer and colorectal cancer. Myra, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me. Mary Bird Perkins Cancer Center celebrated 50 years last year, and we have a Prevention on the Go program which started 20 years ago, and in September of 2020 we expanded our Prevention on the Go program to the Delta region. So we serve 12 parishes in the Delta region, and we have a breast and colorectal screening coming up this Wednesday, April 13th. And I'm going to use my cheat sheet here. It's from 10 to 2 at Max Fresh Market in Main Street in Oak Grove. And then we're going to have another one on Thursday, April 14th from 9 to 2 at the Public Safety Center on Martin Luther King Drive. And we just need everybody to make an appointment. We need to get everybody screened.
How can someone make an appointment, and who is eligible for the screenings?
For mammograms, we do clinical breast exams also, and that would be age 20 and up, and also mammograms are at age 40, and everybody's eligible that hasn't been screened in the last 12 months. And then for colorectal kits, they're actually take-home kits that you do yourself and you mail back in, and you need to be 45 years old for those, but it's all free.
I know it's important to register. How can someone do that?
Okay, to register, you will call 318-414-9758, and if you'd just like more information about other screenings that may be happening, you can go to our website at marybird.org/get-screened.
What if you are uninsured for health?
If you do not have insurance, you will not be charged. If you do have insurance, we'll bill your insurance for it, but it's at no charge for people that have no insurance.
Okay. And so for the colorectal screening, someone who registers can come in, what can they expect? Will they just pick up the kit and they can leave and do it on their own?
Of course, when you call and make your appointment, you'll be pre-registered, and they'll ask you some questions about family history and things. And so when you arrive, we'll just explain how to use the kit, and they'll take it home, and then it has a prepaid postage envelope, and they'll just mail it back, and then the results will be mailed to them within a few weeks.
And how do you follow up with those who have had a diagnosis, real quick, Myra?
We have a patient navigator that will help them and refer them to, or help them go to the next place to have further diagnostic.
Okay, and to sign up for that, you need to go to the Mary Bird Cancer Center and register for those free screenings.